Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. Today you can see a question, very simple question on the screen, but it is a very basic question in algebra if you are preparing for competitive examination. Let A, B, C are sides of the triangle A plus B plus C equals to 12, AB plus AC plus BC equals to 47, and the product of A, B, C equals to 60. Find the area of the triangle. So certainly for the area of the triangle, we'll take the help of Hiram's formula here because AB, the relation between A, B, C are given. So if I'll represent this is the area. So area of the triangle equals to square root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, all the product where S is the semi-perimeter. Means this is the A plus B plus C sum divided by 2. So here we can find 12 by 2 equals to 6. So before that, let me write the area again. I am squaring this area equals to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So literally I am multiplying all the terms. So it will be S square minus AS multiply S square minus BS minus CS plus BC. Again multiplying the whole thing, I'll get S power 4. I'm multiplying S squared with all the terms of the second minus S cube B minus S cube C plus S square BC. And next multiplying with AS, I'll get minus S cube A plus ABS square plus ACS square minus ABCS. So rearranging all the terms, I'll get S power 4 minus taking S cube common, I'll get A plus B plus C from these three terms. Similarly, taking S square common, I'll get BC plus AB plus AC, which is given to be 47, minus ABC is already given, that is your 60. So S equals to 6. Now, see, this will be 6 power 4 minus 6 power cube, and this is 2S, and multiplies 2 times of S, 2 times of 6, that is 12 I can write. S square equals to 36 multiplies your 47 minus 60 into 6. Now you can simplify to get the value of this. So area square is equal to 6 power 4 minus 2 6 power 4 plus your 6 square into 47 minus 6 square into 10, or this equals to minus S4 6 power 4 6 square 47 minus 6 square into 10. So yeah, I'm taking minus 6 square common, that 36 common, not plus, but plus taking common. So this will minus 6 power 2 plus 47 minus 10. So this equals to 6 square into minus 36 plus 47 minus 10. This area square equals to 36. If we simplify, this will gives you 1. 47 minus 36, 46. So this will be 36. Then area equals to square root of 36 equals to 6 unit. triangle six unit. Thank you for watching. I don't claim this is the only method. We can proceed in different method also.